Hi and welcome back to our channel. You want to make a quick and delicious breakfast? If you do, then we have you covered. We'll make some French toasts. A simple one with bacon and cheese, and the classic French type. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We start by beating a few eggs. We add some cream. Salt, sugar, you can use brown sugar too, some cinnamon, and we mix it well. In a pan we add some butter and we wait until it melts. We dip the bread in the mixture on both sides and we add it to the pan. Don't let it sit in the mixture because it will get soggy. We cook it on both sides until it has a nice golden brown color, and we are done. While it rests for a minute, we start by making the other types. We beat some eggs. We add some cream. We season with salt and ground pepper. And we add some cheese. You can use any type you like. We whisk it well. We prepare our bread slices and we add some oil in a hot pan. We dip the bread in a mixture and we add it to the pan. We add some bacon too, because we love it. We cook the bread and the bacon until brown. And this is the final result. The French toast goes well with fresh fruit and any kind of syrup you like. We use caramel for this one. This is a nice way to start the day. Try them out and let us know what you think.